All right, welcome to your warm-up for day number 9. Problem number 1 is a dilation problem, so we're going back to that transformations unit. If you remember, dilations means that we're multiplying by the scale factor. Here it gives us our scale factor of 5 over 2, and we're just going to take every single number and multiply by the scale factor. So when I do negative 2 times the scale factor, times 5 over 2, I'm going to get negative 5. And then 6 times 5 over 2 gives me 15. Coordinate S, my S prime is going to be, when I do that multiplication, it's going to give me 20. And then 10. And then the last coordinate point, when I do that multiplication, it's going to give me 5. And negative 25. Okay, so those are the coordinates for problem number 1. Problem number 2, let's go ahead and solve this equation. We have 6x plus 7 equals 8x minus 13. I'm going to split that equal sign, and then I'm going to start moving my pieces around. I'm going to start by moving my 6x over. That gives me 7 is equal to 2x minus 13. Then I'm going to add back my 13 on both sides. That gives me 20 is equal to 2x. The last thing I'm going to do is divide by 2, and x is equal to positive 10 as my final answer. Okay, and finally, problem number 2. It's asking us to write the equation for the graph. So what I'm going to start by doing is finding my y-intercept. Now if I look down here, it looks like my y-intercept is right there at positive 1. And if I'm processing this and thinking about this critically, the only possible answer choice is B, because it's the only answer choice that has a y-intercept of positive 1. All right, and that concludes your warm-up for day number 9.